To provide some context, Nestlé was founded in Switzerland back in 1866 and established its roots in Malaysia in 1912. Today, it operates in over 186 countries with a massive workforce of 275,000 employees. Nestlé's core vision is to unlock the power of food to enhance the quality of life for everyone. In Malaysia, it is a dominant force on Bursa Malaysia, driving daily consumers' choices through household brands like Milo, Nescafe, Maggi. But how does an organization of this scale stay agile? That brings us to their corporate entrepreneurial framework.
Next, I will explain the Corporate Entrepreneurship Assessment Instrument, or CEAI. It's used to assess how organizations encourage entrepreneurial behavior and innovation. The first dimension is management support. In Nestlé, top management strongly supports in innovation through investment in research and development, sustainability programs, and partnerships. This support employees to contribute new ideas and improve business performance. The second dimension is work creation. Nestlé gives employees the freedom to share ideas, make decisions, and participate in cross-functional projects. This flexibility helps promote creativity and innovation in the workplace. The third dimension is rewards and reinforcement. Nestlé motivates employees by providing training programs, leadership development, and recognitions for innovative ideas. This helps strengthen an entrepreneurial culture within the company. The fourth dimension is time availability. Nestlé provides employees with sufficient time and resources for product development, sustainability projects, and digital transformations, allowing innovation to take place effectively. Lastly, organizational boundaries refer to collaboration within and outside the company. Nestlé works closely with universities, suppliers, startups, and research institutions to improve knowledge sharing and encourage innovation. Overall, Nestlé's implementations of the CEAI framework helps create a strong culture of innovation and entrepreneurship.
Next, I will explain the Entrepreneurial Orientations or EO framework, which describe how Nestlé practices corporate entrepreneurship through three important dimensions. The first dimension is innovativeness. Nestlé continuously develop healthier food products, sustainable packaging, and use advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence to improve efficiency and product innovations. The second dimension is proactiveness. Nestlé actively responds to changing consumer preferences by introducing healthier products and expanding digital and e-commerce channels before competitors. The final dimension is risk-taking behavior. Nestlé is willing to invest in sustainability, renewable energy, and digital transformation despite business risks in order to achieve long-term growth and competitiveness. In conclusion, these three dimensions help Nestlé remain competitive, innovative, and sustainable in the global food and beverage industry.
Next, I will explain the drivers of corporate entrepreneurship in Malaysia. First is innovation and research and development, or R&D. Nestlé continuously develops healthier and innovative products to meet changing consumer needs. This helps the company remain competitive in the food and beverage industry. Second is digital transformation. Nestlé uses technologies such as AI, automation, and e-commerce platforms to improve operational efficiency, marketing strategies, and customer experience. Besides that, strong leadership and organizational culture also play an important role. Nestlé encourages teamwork, creativity, and employee involvement in innovation activities. This creates an entrepreneurial mindset among employees. Another driver is sustainability initiatives. Nestlé focuses on eco-friendly packaging, reducing environmental impact, and promoting sustainable business practices. In addition, changing consumer demand also drives corporate entrepreneurship. Consumers today prefer healthier, more sustainable, and convenient products, so Nestlé must continuously adapt and innovate. Last, external collaboration with suppliers. researchers, and business partners helps Nestle gain new ideas, technologies, and innovative solutions. Overall, these drives help Nestle to maintain its competitiveness and support long-term business growth.
Firstly, Nestle faces resistance of organizational change. Since Nestle operates in more than 180 countries, implementing new technologies and systems can be challenging. Employee and management may be comfortable with existing working methods and reluctant to adapt with change. Different communication and management style across country may also create incessant innovation practice. In addition, some employees fear automation and AI because they worry about job security and increased workload. As a result, innovation implementation may become slower and organizational flexibility may decrease. The second challenge is the high cost of innovation and sustainable program. Nestle invests heavily in research and development, renewable energy, sustainable packaging, and digital transformation. However, this project require large financial expenditure and expensive technology infrastructure. Nestle also faces criticism regarding plastic waste and recycling difficult because some packaging materials are difficult to recycle. Therefore, this investment may increase operational costs, create financial pressure, and reduce short-term profitability. Next, Nestle also faces regulatory and consumer pressure. Different countries impose strict laws regarding food safety, environmental protection, labor practice, and packaging regulation. Complying with this regulation increase operational complexity and cost of the company. At the same time, consumers are becoming more healthy conscious and environmentally aware. This expect healthier product, transparent sourcing, environmentally friendly packaging, and ethical business practice. Nestle also challenged in monitoring global suppliers and maintaining responsible sourcing practice. Failure to meet the expectation may damage the company reputation and reduce consumer trust. Lastly, Nestle faces technological and digital challenges. Rapid technology advances require the company to continuously upgrade its digital system, automation, technology, and AI system. This technology requires skilled workers and high investment costs. In addition, increased digitalization may expose the company to cybersecurity and data breach risks. Therefore, Nestle must continually improve employee digital skill and technological capabilities to remain competitive in global market.
Next, I will explain the strategic recommendation for Nestle Malaysia. The first recommendation is to strengthen digital innovation and smart technology adoption. Nestle should continue investing in technologies such as artificial intelligence, automation, and big data analytics to improve efficiency, reduce operational costs, and strengthen supply chain management. Besides that, improving e-commerce and digital marketing strategies can help the company better understand consumer behavior and increase customer engagement. The second recommendation is to enhance sustainable product innovation and green initiative. Nestle should focus on eco-friendly packaging, reducing carbon emissions, and expanding healthier and plant-based products. The company should also collaborate with supplier and research institutions to support sustainable business practices. Overall, these strategies can help Nestle improve innovation and strengthen competitiveness and also achieve long-term sustainable growth.
For the third recommendation, develop talent and entrepreneurship. Launch an internal innovation incubator where employees can test new ideas. Also, restore training hours from the current 11.7 back to over 15 hours per year. Fourth recommendation would be advance open innovation. Nestle should co-invest in agri-tech and also food tech startup accelerators, and this will speed up innovation, share costs, and support the goal of 50% regenerative agriculture sourcing by 2030. Fifth is to embed entrepreneurship into performance management. Add innovation KPIs to executive bonuses like numbers of new products from internal programs. Also, create a board-level innovation committee to ensure accountability. These 5 recommendations are practical and align with Nestle's long-term goals. Nestle already demonstrates strong corporate entrepreneurship. Our CAI and EO analysis shows high score in management support, innovativeness, proactiveness, and risk-taking behavior. However, significant barrier remains: resistance to change, high innovation costs, regulatory pressure, digital skill gaps, and environmental criticism. These challenges must be actively managed, and our 5 strategic recommendations provides a clear path. So our final message is this: corporate entrepreneurship is not a one-time project or a department. It is a daily mindset that must be nurtured at every level of the organization. Nestle has the foundation. With deliberate action, it can continue to lead through innovation and sustainable growth.